Welcome to Alcolizer's on-site testing app and Bluetooth tutorial. Alcolizer LE5 and Druglizer support Bluetooth communication between both Android and iOS platforms. The on-site testing app is essential for syncing test results to our secure data management system, Alco Connect Live. The platform is used by thousands of customers around the world, with millions of test results received and managed every year. The on-site testing app has two modes of operation: full test and quick test. Full test mode can be used for both alcohol and drug tests. The quick test mode is used for alcohol tests only. The quick test mode receives breath test results in the app with an optional staff ID, and automatically syncs them from the app to Alco Connect. All quick test results are viewed instantly in the breathalyzer activity. Quick test results cannot be viewed or emailed in the app. The only way to view the results is to log into Alco Connect. Full test mode is designed to meet the following Australian standards when performing AOD testing: AS/NZ 4760/2019 procedure for specimen collection and the detection and quantification of drugs in oral fluid. AS/NZ 4308/2008 procedures for specimen collection and detection and quantitation of drugs of abuse in urine. AS/3547/2019 breath alcohol testing devices. For the screen testing, it is recommended that the certified operator courses have been completed. Users will be required to have nationally recognized accreditation when performing confirmatory testing. As a registered training organization, both courses are available through our training department. The most notable differences in pairing devices between Android and iOS are the following. If you are using an Android smart device, pairing happens only when the app is open and you are on the Bluetooth settings page. While on this page, you select the smart device that appears on your testing device. Once you select the smart device you want to pair with, a pairing request with a passcode will appear. Ensure it matches the passcode displayed on the testing device. You then select Pair. If you are using an iOS smart device, pairing happens in the app. Select the pairing menu, then select Scan. The app will scan for nearby testing devices. The testing device must be on the scanning page itself. Select Pair next to the device you want to pair with. A passcode will be displayed on your testing device. Enter this code into the pairing request form that appear in the app. Then select Pair. Visit Alcolizer's website to download informative user guides for pairing your devices and testing instructions. The user guides are available in 4 combinations. Scan the QR code on the Alcolizer user guides to view a video demonstration on pairing and syncing test results. Once you have paired your testing devices, set up the app. From the dashboard, select Add Site. Enter the site and company details. Ensure the site and company name is exactly the same as it would appear in Alco Connect. Select the testing setup menu. Select the devices you have paired and the urine device you want to use if applicable. Ensure the device expiry date is set. To email results from the app, customers must set up their own connectivity information. Once registered, customers are sent their technician initials. They must be entered here to successfully sync results. If the initials cannot be located, log into Alco Connect and view them in the account settings. To conduct a test in full test mode, select the relevant site from the dashboard. Select Add Test. The on-site screening form will display. Complete the donor information. Open the donor agreement at the bottom. Select the test type and then enter any medication if applicable. The donor reads and signs the form. The alcohol and drug test forms will now be available. Open the alcohol test form to receive an alcohol test in the app. Send the result using your alcohol devices. The results will populate the form. Open the drug test form to receive a drug test in the app using the Druglizer. Send the drug test to the app. The results will populate the form. If you are using an oral detect device or conducting a urine screening test, manually enter the results. Once a result has been received, the donor declaration form will become available. The donor reads and signs the form. The certify form will now become available. The technician signs the form. Only have the declaration form signed if all tests have been received in the app, i.e. an alcohol test and drug test. Once the Certify form has been signed, you will be directed back to the site details page where the summary form will be available. The company representative and technician sign the form. There is an option to email the summary form to multiple recipients. Select Back to return to the site details page. The app is now ready to sync results to Alco Connect for viewing and managing. Log in to Alco Connect to view and manage test results. Quick test mode results will be found in the breathalyzer activity under the Reports menu. Full test mode results will be found in the Onsite testing option under the Dashboard or Reports menu. There are several common errors made by beginner users that can easily be resolved by ensuring the devices have paired correctly, the app and testing devices are set up correctly and contact details are entered to match Alco Connect. Log into Alco Connect and view the incomplete form section from the on-site testing dashboard for more information to help troubleshoot a failed sync result. Users at company manager level and above have access to this information. Let's do a quick recap. There are differences in how the test devices pair to an Android smart device versus an iOS smart device. The app has two modes of testing, full test and quick test. Only alcohol devices can use the quick test mode. Alco Connect is required for quick test mode to view and manage results. View results in the app for full test mode until synced, where you can view and manage them in Alco Connect. You will need to complete the HLTPAT-005 course to conduct confirmatory drug testing. You will need to register as an on-site testing technician to use the full test mode and sync results using your initials. You can save a test midway through a test session and return to it, for example, if a donor requires hydrating. Results are deleted from the app once they have successfully synced to Alco Connect. Only sign the summary form once test results have been received in the app. Contact Alcolizer Technology if at any time you require further assistance with the on-site testing app.